just arrived in El Nido in Palawan in the Philippines, and I am going to take you on a walking tour around El Nido. This is beautiful so far. Quite a little town. There's scuba diving over here. Loads of places. Hello! Everyone is very bubbly. I've also found a bum bag. I've been looking for one for so long, so I'm going to go back and buy that bum bag. I'm actually looking for a bum bag, but I can't see one. Right now I'm just holding a little satchel. Bo, I found one. A bum bag. It's there. I found it. I'm so excited. It's really pretty as well. I'm going back. It's 300.
Like day 6? Is it day 6?
Day,
Five.
what? Day, no, 6 days. 6 or 7 days in, I found one.
It's a really good shop to get any snacks that you want for like the island hopping day or anything like that.
Our guide is really helpful. He's telling us a couple of mistakes that have happened in the past, but if you are coming to El Nido, this ATM apparently, people have been scammed with it, so don't use that one. And this is a good snack store for all your little snacks on your trips. So there's 4 tours that you can do in El Nido, A, B, C and D, conveniently named. With One Life, we do tour B, which is apparently a bit quieter, and on our spare day, I'm gonna go and do tour A. So I will take you guys with me on tour A and B, probably in a separate video. Our guide was just saying is that this road down here, you can see the rest of the route, and here, so beautiful, all gets closed off at night time and turns into a market. So we might go and check that out later on. I'm gonna be spoiled for choice for bum bags, I think, by the end of it. Oh, there's another one there. We also just got shown this tattoo place. Apparently it's a really good tattoo shop. So if anyone is thinking of getting something in El Nido, apparently this is the place to go. And then this is a really good karaoke bar apparently. And our tour guide, Aileen, she's a vegan. I'm vegetarian and she's recommended this restaurant. So if anyone is veggie or vegan, Verde apparently does really amazing veggie and vegan food. Exciting. And just opposite the road from Verde, over here, we've got Grounded. Apparently is a really good coffee shop to grab a coffee. I am a caffeine addict. We'll be coming back there. If anyone is thinking of traveling to El Nido, these are all the top spots that are being recommended. Now, I'm going back up this way and I'm going to try and grab that bum bag. They look cute as well, it's got daisies on it. So Aileen has just pointed out well, she's taking me to a basketball court because I love to play basketball and apparently there is one here. So that's where we're going now. I'm very excited to see this. I've been looking for one the entire tour. So this is the court, guys. But it looks like there's some form of festival on. So yeah, this is a hoop right here. It's a full-on court. That's sick.
Balinsasayaw Festival.
You're looking for authentic Balinsasayaw soup? We have it here. Oh, you're gonna try that.
So, we just stumbled upon a festival. Take these off now, indoors, and on the basketball court. And they're actually showing us some soup, which Aileen was telling us about earlier. Basically, El Nido is famous for, well, a soup that you make from a bird's nest. And the birds make their nest with their own saliva. And it's a swiftlet. And El Nido actually stands for the nest because they're famous for this bird soup and nest that they make. And apparently, like a kilo of the stuff is £3,000, so it's pretty expensive. It's a hot commodity. And this is it over here. I'll show you.
You might want to try, this is a free taste of our pesto butter with
We're just having a chat with Aileen and having a bit of a debate because Aileen is vegan and I'm vegetarian, and obviously this is soup made from bird spit. So we're trying to debate, it's not vegan, but it might be vegetarian.
I mean, like eggs, milk are vegetarian, so why would a bird spit be vegetarian?
Yeah, it might be. I'm not gonna go for it though. But yeah, that's one. Let us know in the comments. Is bird spit vegetarian? I'm gonna go for a yeah. Gonna go for a yeah. Okay, just left the basketball court and now I'm on my way to get this bum bag. Because currently, carrying everything in my pit. I've been doing that for 5 days because, you know, naturally I forgot to bring a bag to the Philippines. Which way was it? I think it's down here. I don't know, a bit disorientated. think there's one down here. Oh yeah, here it is. Found the shop, guys. This is it. Cute little store. And I got my bum bag. Yeah. Thank you. Bye. On my way back, bum bag in hand, happy days. It's nice to finally have a bag. I'm gonna head back to the hostel we're staying at Spin and look at the view. And that's my hostel just up there. Well, I say hostel, it's kind of like hotel-y hostel. A hostel. We're in dorms of 4, but it's very nice. It's called Spin, and that's actually a vibe as well, so I might show you a bit of that. This is the hostel. And this is the entrance. To be fair, I'm checking it out myself because we've literally just arrived like 20 minutes ago and then went straight for a little walking tour around the El Nido. Hey guys! So there's a little outdoor seating area here. If we go through, cute little barn. Hello! Christmas tree, as we are nearing that time of year. And then this is apparently where we have breakfast. Coffee machine, wet gear. This is the other entrance, the front entrance. And then I'll take you to the dorm. We go down this way. So we've shared bathrooms, so yeah. Well, they've got a female only bathroom and a shared bathroom. And our room is here. Hello. Oh, it's nice and cool. Alright, just finished in the room and I'm going to pop back out for a coffee before we have an early dinner. So I think I might go back to that grounded spot because that looks really good. Apparently they do iced coffee, which is needed. Solo adventure. The group are all having a bit of free time before dinner. Everyone got a little bit booze last night. A lot of people having a nap. It's giving like a Gili, if anyone's been to the Gili Islands, kind of Gili vibes a little bit. Also a little bit Utila vibes, which is in Honduras. Almost like a bit of a snorkely dive town vibe, which is my vibe. So I love it already. Stumbled upon some kids doing some music in the street and it's very wholesome. I've just stopped at this space for a coffee, but also just see the most amazing ice cream, so I might get an ice cream as well. Gelato and bistro. And I think that my friends are in this rooftop bar. So it's a dive-through that Aileen has recommended, who's our group leader, to if we want to go diving. Which I might do. I used to work as a dive instructor many years ago. And I'm a bit dived out. Kind of want to do the island hopping, but maybe. But I might go and check this out in a second. Thank you. Thanks so much. Hello. Hello. Okay. Wow. I wasn't expecting to see that view. Incredible. Let's go to this rooftop bar, see if my friends are still there. This looks like a rooftop bar. Come on. Just finished at the rooftop bar and we're gonna head up, get changed quickly and go for dinner. We're going for Greek style dinner. Might take you guys to the night market later. I think we're all gonna have a little pop in. Just walking to dinner, Greek restaurant or Mediterranean restaurant. Now we're getting some nighttime sunset vibes, which is cute. So just over here is the best ATM to go to because there are a few that can scam you here. So just a heads up guys, it is over this way, which is right next to Grounded, you know, the coffee shop that I showed you earlier, and opposite Verdi, which is a fancy veggie restaurant. If you want to get cash out in El Nido, go to that ATM and be careful with the ATMs because they can scan here. I always just freeze my card afterwards, after I've taken cash out abroad, just in case. It kind of helps safety net protect you. So top tip, freeze your card after you've taken cash out abroad. We have just arrived at the restaurant. Taste the Mediterranean. Look at this view. Look at it now, it's all lit up. How pretty is this? Just finished dinner and we're at the market that we were at earlier. And how pretty is this? So Christmassy. I also just got Denzel a little souvenir. Hopefully this footage doesn't upload to the cloud and he sees it, but we have a little tradition. Denzel, the other half of our channel, is a professional basketball player, so we have a bit of a tradition where we buy a basketball jersey from every country we visit, and I just found one. Purchased that from the night market and now having a bit of a wander round. Just heading back from the night market now, walking back to the hostel, and I'm probably going to sign out and end this video here, guys. I'm going to get an early night. It's only 7:30, but I'm going to get myself to bed because we've got a big day tomorrow. So as always, like, comment, subscribe. It really supports us, so we really appreciate your kind of love for the channel, and we will catch you in the next one where it's going to be a cultural day around El Nido in the Philippines. We're going to be doing some zip lining and climbing a tree as well. So I will catch you in the next episode. Big love as always, guys. Good night.